Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Solana. We're going to be analyzing the charts of Solana, see what is happening, what's the news revolving around Sol, and where we could see the price of Solana going as we do go further into the year of 2023. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Solana as of today, August 2nd, it's currently sitting at $23.21, down about 1.7% over the last 24 hours in both Bitcoin and USD comparative. Market cap currently sitting at $9.4 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 435 million. Let's take a look at what's happening across the market. You guys can see only 3 projects as far as the top gainers, but majority of the markets besides that is in the red right now. And as far as Solana is concerned, it's down about 1.8%. But we're going to be talking about some news revolving around this. Before I jump into the charts, wanted to share this with you guys. So Solana has the 5th most stable coins printed on chain. That is really interesting to see and obviously worthwhile pointing out. So I wanted to share this with the Solana holders. But now let's take a look at what's really happening with the price, because of course, the analysis, that's what everyone is here for, to really see where is the price currently trading at and where I could see it going as we do go further into the month of August. So if we're looking at the price, like I said, $23.23, and once again it's retesting this level of support, which is at that $22.66, and we know how important this level of support really is for the price of Solana, and you can see this for yourself, especially on the daily time frame. We have retested this support line just on July 25th, and once again we did retest it almost yesterday, but we are seeing a little bit of a bounce. So clearly we can see that how important this level of support really is for the price of Solana, and has pretty much played out for us for a really long time, which also dates back to last year. Let me give it a refresh live so you guys can really see as to what I'm discussing. Let's go back down memory lane so you can see this for yourself. It's a huge level of support for the price of Sol, and that is of course playing out for us right now. So the question is that are we about to lose this support line? Are we about to see the price go lower? That is the question that you guys might have right now, and that's what we will discuss right now. What Bitcoin is doing is quite interesting. BTC dominance once again approaching that 50% mark. We know we did see this massive drop in BTC dominance, which really led some altcoins to go absolutely insane over the past few weeks. But once again, we're starting to see, as the month of August started, you can see this for yourself, we're seeing this uptick happening within the Bitcoin dominance. So that means more money is flowing into Bitcoin because uncertainty is right there as of now for BTC. Because look at it for yourself, we saw Bitcoin go up to $30,000 today. We haven't retested that 30k mark literally since 24th of July, but you can see the price of Bitcoin came down to $29,000. So you can see manipulation is definitely occurring, because the sentiment around that range was that, oh, BTC is going to drop below, and a lot of shorts were being piled up, and obviously manipulation does occur, and we did see a massive liquidation occurring. But anyways, what I'm trying to point out to you guys is that as far as the entire market structure is concerned, you can see we're in this upwards trajectory. You might be saying Solana isn't moving. A lot of people might be saying Solana hasn't pumped up to the $60 price point, which everyone is waiting on, and especially that $40 mark. We did pump up to that $32 mark, which we were targeting, especially after that XRP bullish news that came out. We saw the price of Solana literally go up about 150% in just a matter of a month. That really shows you that the interest can come into the space really fast. But right now, where Solana is holding is really important level, because this used to be one of the most important levels of supports for the price of Solana throughout the year, but every single time we broke below it. You can see this for yourself. Every time we stayed in there, it was a break below it, once again below it. But this time around, we're seeing like 4 different times that this level of support has played out. But what I want to show you guys is that patience is needed. We're still very early in this bull cycle. Let me show you the historic price pattern, and this might get you really excited. So If we're looking at the BTC charts, you can see, we're going to talk about last cycle. As I've told you guys before, Bitcoin halving is taking place next year. So last Bitcoin halving was 4 years ago. Obviously, after we take next year into consideration, that would mark it 4 years, which took place on May 11th of 2020. And you can see this for yourself. We were seeing the price of BTC within this blue range, and then after the Bitcoin halving took place, you can see Bitcoin started moving up towards the upside. And same similarities, this blue zone is that accumulation zone, and we have been in this accumulation zone pretty much since last year. You can see this for yourself, and it's just a matter of time where we finally start to see things start heating up. We're seeing more and more volume coming in, especially from the retail side. A lot of newcomers coming into the crypto space. People want to know how to buy crypto, and like I said, as a content creator for cryptocurrency markets, I can see when there's new people coming in, because obviously I see comments coming in, people trying to reach out that they don't know much. So that really shows the interest is picking up. And what I'm projecting is we will see Solana trading above $40, maybe possibly even at $50, before the end of the year, because we still have yet to see that altcoin season everyone is waiting for. We all need to remember, Solana is still holding pretty good. Obviously, Bitcoin is, seeing quite a bit of shakiness here and there, and obviously there is a correlation that does take place, and obviously. If you do follow the crypto space, we have heard some bad news come out recently. SEC is cracking down on different things, and also there is a rumor going on. I'm sure if you guys have heard, there's a token called Ball token that went up literally 4 million%, and there's a rumor going the SBF was hired to make that coin to really show how manipulated these markets are. So, that is really affecting the markets right now. But as far as the bigger picture goes, things are still looking really, really good. What I want Solana to do is stay within this range. Like I said, 4 different times we have been supported by this level of support. If we were to lose this support line, we'd still have a lot of support built up around here, but I am expecting this level to hold. All eyes should be on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin were to see a $30,000 plus BTC in the short and medium term, then we could possibly see once again Solana heading back to yearly highs and even $40, which is that main target that I'm eyeing right now. So, a lot of questions that I always get, Crypto ZX, hey, we're seeing Solana pumping. Yes, we're seeing it pumping, but we're still within the consolidation phase. I consider Solana in the consolidation phase. As long as it's below this point, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is this blue level. So as long as the price is below here, we're still in this accumulation pattern, because I believe once we enter within this range, we will see more pressure for the entire market, and we will see Solana really see some massive moves towards the upside. And remember, the overall ecosystem of Solana is growing at a tremendous rate, and that's something you do not want to be forgetting. That's something where you want to be focusing on right now, because price will follow, obviously, with the market. And that is it for today's update. Let me know down below if you guys are enjoying these updates. And thank you so much for all your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.